The older I got, I felt like I needed to kind of step up the game, and traditional versus functional medicine. I started exploring functional medicine many years ago, and for me, that's been a game changer,
Yeah.
and it's helped me with the whole longevity goal for me is
Hmm.
to feel better and become, lose some weight, feel better, and it's made me a healthier person.
What were some of like the things that you've done as far as like services, treatments go?
So it's been hormone therapy, a lot of peptides, and it's made me feel a lot better.
Yeah.
I feel I have more energy and more clarity day to day. So it's helped greatly in my longevity journey.
Nice. What has it been like working with the team?
MedMatrix has been phenomenal. Every interaction has been professional. I'm a busy guy, so it's always on. For me, being on time and efficient is very important. So every appointment has been prompt and on time. So it helps a lot to be in a professional environment with MedMatrix.
Nice. What about just like the care, customer service, that side of things?
Customer service has been really, really good. The portal is awesome. Every time I've sent a message in, it's answered within the hour or maybe 2 hours, but it's very professional and they get back to you immediately. And the portal is an excellent place as a patient compared to some of the traditional portals that you're involved in.
Yeah. What is like the biggest difference you've noticed between conventional medicine and functional medicine with MedMatrix?
Well, for me, the journey has started many years ago, and just the hormone replacement therapy I thought was, traditional medicine doesn't give you the ability to manage any of that. They just kind of do a one size fits all blood
Yeah.
test, and at MedMatrix they look at multiple blood panels, and it's very comprehensive. And I felt more in tune with who I am and my health coming to MedMatrix.
That's awesome. What would you say to someone who's kind of thinking of coming to MedMatrix?
Do it. If you're thinking about it, do it. Invest in your health,
Yeah.
in your future, and it'll help you. It has helped me.